Click on the link below to get price. The Gskill Zeta R5 series DDR5 RAM is a powerhouse for serious gamers and content creators alike, offering impressive specifications that elevate system performance to new heights. With a whopping capacity of 128GB, distributed across 8x16GB modules, this memory kit is designed to handle even the most demanding applications. Running at a blazing speed of 6,400 metric tons per second, the Zeta R5 RAM ensures that data transfer rates are optimized for efficiency, making it ideal for multitasking and resource-heavy operations. One of the standout features of this RAM kit is its compatibility with Intel's XMP 3.0 technology. This allows users to easily overclock the memory to achieve higher speeds without the need for complicated BIOS adjustments. Setting it up is straightforward, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Simply enabling the XMP profile in the BIOS unleashes the full potential of the RAM, ensuring that users can enjoy enhanced performance right out of the box. Aesthetically, the Gskill Zeta R5 series boasts a sleek design that complements modern gaming rigs and builds. The heat spreaders effectively dissipate heat, maintaining ideal operating temperatures during intense usage. The RGB lighting is customizable and can be synchronized with other components, adding a visually appealing element to your setup. In terms of performance, benchmarks demonstrate that this RAM excels in both gaming and productivity tasks. In gaming scenarios, load times are significantly reduced, and frame rates are boosted, leading to smoother gameplay experiences. For content creators, the large capacity allows for seamless handling of large files and multitasking between demanding applications like video editing software and 3D rendering tools. Overall, the Gskill Zeta R5 series DDR5 RAM stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their system's performance. With its high speed, ample capacity, and user-friendly features, this RAM is a worthy investment for gamers and professionals who demand the best from their hardware.